I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a withdrawal on your Capital One app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the Capital One app. Launch the app on your smartphone and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Accounts tab and select the account from which the withdrawal was made. This will show you the list of transactions. Step 3. Find the withdrawal. Scroll through your transactions to locate the specific withdrawal you want to dispute. Tap on it to view more details. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. In the transaction details, look for an option that says Dispute Transaction or something similar. Tap on it to start the dispute process. Step 5. Provide details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you accidentally dispute a transaction that you actually authorized, you may need to contact customer support to resolve it. Good luck, and I hope this helps you get your issue resolved quickly.